Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel again. In this video, I'll show you the life cycle of a blog post. Everyone using blog post and everyone doing the blog post for their site. But no one is know about the blog post cycle, how it's work and how to rank it and everything of the blog post. So let me guide you one by one how you can do your website blog and also how to rank in Google and everything. Okay. So first of all, I want to show you one of my site that is doing my website SEO. Let me show you one by one. So when you will be in Google and search with Boostify, then you can see this site, and this site is helping me to doing my website SEO, and also this site is giving me this full access of this dashboard. You can see I already integrated my site here. Here is my site. You can see. Let me show you. Here is my site. Okay. So I already integrated my site here, and you can see they're giving me the analytics data, everything one by one. Here you can see in the July or in the date based, and if I show you, here is the top ranking pages. Here they are showing me the data of the top ranking pages, and you can see from this page I got 1000 plus impression, 12 clicks, and everything. They are giving me the information. Just integrated your site here and everything will be done by this site. And you can see they are creating the blog post as well for me. I'm not doing anything because I don't have enough time to do everything for my site. They are just giving me everything for this site. You can see they are giving me the social information, and also they are creating blog post for social information as well. And you can see optimize pages, and here is the improve SEO, optimize content, and create blog post, everything. And if I go to the AI recommendation option, you can see this site is giving me all of the recommendations here. You can see I have 88 plus recommendation, and monitor pages, they are already completed. And you can see recommended fixes. What should I fix? So you can see here are the take action option here, and you can see here is the low, high, suggestion, everything. So if you click on the view all and also approval, here is the option, the approval, then you don't need to do, or you don't need to fix these problems. These problems will be fixed by this site. Okay. And here are the title recommendation, here are the meta description, and also h1 tags, image title, everything. And you can see here is the rank analyzer option, optimize pages option, internal linkings, add site info, and everything of this site here. So I am recommending you to use this site to do your website SEO if you don't have time to do the manual SEO. Okay. And manual SEO needs time to happen or needs time to rank. Okay. But this AI based SEO, it will help you to rank your website higher on Google. Okay. So let me go back to the topic again. Here you can see the life cycle of a blog post. So you can see here is the 7-step blog cycle flow visual arrow diagram. So the first cycle is keyword research. When you will start a blog post, your first goal will be research keyword for your title. For keyword research, you can use some of the tools like keyword tool IO. You can see keyword tool IO. This tool is very helpful for every blog creator. Just add your seed keyword here and then search your information. And the content draft. Content draft means what type of content you are creating. Like you are creating what is SEO, how it works, everything about the structure from the beginning to conclusion. Okay, it calls content structure. Optimization on page SEO. You should do the on page SEO. On page SEO means your content strategy, your content meta description, meta site, and also all text and everything about the images. That's mean optimization on page SEO. Then also publish the blog post. After finishing these 3 steps, you can publish your blog post. Okay. Then Google crawls and indexes. You can use Google crawls. Google crawls means you can use the Google Search Console. When you will be in Google and search with Google Search Console, you can see here is the Google Search Console information, and just click on Start Now option, and you're just edit your website and verify with it. Okay. Then index your blog post. Then also Google start ranking IT. When after finishing the crawls and indexing, then Google will automatically start your ranking IT. Okay. Then also content gets re-optimized or update it. After finishing the blog post publishing, you need to re-optimize it. Like you need to re-upload some of the contents, or some of the contents you need to change and everything. Okay, so this is the full cycle of the information. Now timeline or breakdown table, 7 days for 30 days. Okay, you can see here is I already written about the information. Just a moment. You can see in the day 1 your stage or blog life will be keyword research and planning. This is the planning information. And what happens, you select low competition or high relevant keywords. Just spend your 1 day to research the keywords, and day 2 or day 3 you can writing, or you can do the on page SEO. In the next day 2 or day 3 you can do the writing or on page SEO. You write the post, optimize title, headings, meta tag, meta information, or anything. In the day 4 you can spend your time to publish the blog. Then you will hit publish, submit to Google by a search console. Then also in the day 5 to 7 Google crawls and indexes. You will just index your Google crawls or index your Google blog post in the Google search console, and after that Google bot discover and index your pages. And in the week 2 you can do the temporary ranking start, and your post appears in the search means Google search engine result. Okay, and Google test it briefly. So that's mean it's the full timeline breakdown for the Google crawlability or Google blog post. Okay, so now go back to the topic again. You can see in the week 3 you can see ranking fluctuates. You can see rank may go up based on performance. If you are doing good blog post, then your rank can be higher. Okay, and week 4 update and strengthen, add internal linking, improve content, get backlinks. When you will be upload your information and upload your blog post, then Google crawls or Google indexing will help you to get some of the internal links, some of the backlinks and others. Okay, now here is the Google behavior visual. You can see when you will publish a blog post, Google bot will be crawls it. Okay, and your page will be indexed, and Google assign a temporary rank. Temporary rank means when you will upload your blog post, then they will test your article or blog post, then they will deliver your blog post within like some audience, like approximately 10,000. Then if they like it, or if they spending time their information or spending time on your blog post, then you can expect a better result from your blog post. So I'm recommending you to write the best content strategy wise blog post. Okay, and now you can see Google watches your user behavior. User behavior means bounce rate, time on page, click through rate. Bounce rate means suppose someone is enter your site and they just scroll down, or they just leave the page. If they don't click anything of your pages, then it calls bounce rate. Okay, and time on page means how much time they are spending in your articles, in your blog post. And then click through rate means suppose someone is view your article but not click to expand the full articles, that's mean it will be called click through rate. And also the final position gets settled over time. Okay, so I hope you understand about the full information. Now the final optimization is, what is the final optimization? Add more internal links. I am recommending you to add more internal links to your blog post, to your articles, and then improve content based SEO on Google Search Console data. Build 1 to 2, like 1 or maximum 2 backlinks. Update meta title if CTR is low. Meta title means your blog title, your blog information. If your CTR is low, CTR means click through rate, impression divided by your clicks, then it will be called CTR. Then add fresh states or images. You know what? Most of the time images are working better. When you will search your blog post in the Google, and if you go to the images option of the Google, then you can see your blog post image. So my recommendation is that use clean image, clean information, clean blog post, clean own images, so that you can rank your blog post higher on Google. So I hope you understand about the life cycle of a blog post and everything is clear to you. And if you have any question or if you have any information, just let me know. I will answer it. Thank you very much.